Hey, what you doing in there? Come with me and learn how to make thumbprint cookies.
Thumbprint cookies, you will need flour, sugar, 2 sticks of butter and almond extract, and whatever you're going to fill your cookies with. For me, I'm going to fill my cookies with a homemade plum jam and caramel sauce. For the glaze on top, you'll need powdered sugar, milk, and again, almond extract. Let's head over to the mixer and get started. First, you're going to cream your butter, almond extract, and sugar together. 2 sticks of softened butter, 2 cups third of sugar, and half a teaspoon of almond extract. Now mix it. You may have to occasionally stop and scrape down your ingredients. Alright, you're just gonna mix this until it looks soft. And I think this is just about there. We're going to scrape down all of the ingredients from the paddle. And now you're gonna add your 2 cups of flour in thirds. We're gonna mix this and then we'll add our next 2 thirds. Alright. Your dough should look like this. Now, let's form our cookies. Now that we have our dough made, I have this cookie sheet with parchment paper on it. I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to scoop up our dough and roll them into balls so they're all almost the same size. Let's go in. Remember, they don't have to be perfect. Now that we have one made, let's do 11 more. Before I rolled these balls, I preheated my oven to 350 degrees so that it would be hot when I put the cookies in. The reason these cookies are called thumbprint is because they have an indentation in the center of them. Right now, we are going to try a couple of different things to put that indentation in it. First, I'm going to try a miniature ice cream scoop. Well, that didn't really work. It left a crack. Okay, well, that didn't work. You know what? I think I'm just gonna try my thumb. Oh my goodness, that worked the best. Okay, since I found my tool of choice, now I'm gonna do the rest of the 11. Perfect. In these indentations, you can put whatever you would like, but I am going to fill mine with plum jam and caramel sauce. I'm going to split them in half, 6 with plum jam, 6 with caramel. Now we're going to put these filled cookies in our preheated oven for 12 minutes or until lightly golden brown. While the cookies are baking, I'm going to go ahead and mix up my glaze. While I'm mixing, I'll tell you how I made it. It's just half a cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of milk, and a teaspoon of almond extract. That's it. That's all there is to it. Now, you just have to mix. That's it. Time's up. Time to take our cookies out. Now that our cookies are beautifully done, I want to put a little sprinkle of sea salt over our caramel ones. They're still hot, so it's the perfect time to glaze them. Just taking the glaze I made earlier and drizzling it over the top. Perfect. Now, if you want to get extra fancy, you can pop them with a little puff of powdered sugar. I'm going to leave some of them without. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I encourage you to make it at home for your family or for friends during this holiday.